Greetings. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to apply for Spousal Open Work Permit in Canada. To apply for a Spousal Open Work Permit, SOWP, in Canada, you need to follow these steps. Step 1, determine eligibility. Ensure you meet the eligibility criteria. Number 1, your spouse or common law partner is a Canadian citizen or permanent resident. Criteria number 2, your spouse or common law partner has a valid work permit or study permit. Criteria number 3, you are in Canada and have a valid temporary resident status. Example, visitor, worker, or student. Number 4, you are at least 18 years old. Step 2, gather required documents. You need to collect the following necessary documents. Number 1, marriage certificate, a copy of your marriage certificate or proof of common law relationship. Number 2, spouse's immigration documents, a copy of your spouse's Canadian citizenship or permanent resident card, work permit, or study permit. Proof of relationship, documents showing your relationship with your spouse, such as joint bank statements, lease or property documents, utility bills, photos. Number 4, a passport, a copy of your valid passport. Number 5, proof of language proficiency. Test results from a designated language testing organization, for example, IELTS or CELPIP, IELTS or CELPIP for English, or TEF or DELF for French. Step 3, complete the application. Fill out the application for a work permit made from outside Canada. The form number is IMM 1295 and the open work permit application IMM 5710. So you need to fill out these application forms. Step number 4, pay the fees. So the required fees are as follows. For work permit, the fee is $155, and for open work permit holder, the fee is $100. Step number 5, submit the application. Submit your application online or by paper. And for online application, create an online profile in the Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada website. And upload your application and supporting documents. Pay the fees online. And for paper application, mail your application and supporting documents to the address listed on the IRCC website. And pay the fees online or by bank draft. Step number 6, wait for processing. Wait for IRCC to process your application. And what about the processing time? Check the IRCC website for the current processing times. What about biometrics? You may be required to provide biometrics, fingerprints, and photo. And what about medical exam? You may be required to undergo a medical exam. Step 7, receive the decision on your application. If approved, you will receive a SOWP. If refused, you will receive a letter explaining the reasons. Please note that the application process and required documents may vary depending on your individual circumstances. It is essential to check the IRCC website or consult with an authorized immigration representative to ensure you have the most up-to-date information. If you have any questions about what I have said in the video, feel free to post your comments. Thank you.